No more guessing. Test your ignition system like a pro. Saves time and prevents unnecessary part replacements. Plug it in, start the engine, and check the spark.